morning vlog. Oh. Still? You guys don't know what's going on. Rewind to the past me. Whoa, past self, hello. And good morning, you guys. I'm sure it's morning for you guys right now. Hey, this is for the handcuff challenge. We are here buying them right now just so you guys know that it is real. It is Tuesday, December 19th at 10:49, you guys, or 10:46. Yeah, 10:46. And we are officially sticking these on right now. So you guys, we are locking up. Get ready to get locked. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, we are officially locked together. Now that he explained what happened, you guys, we're still handcuffed together. Babe, get up.
Ow.
Come on, get up. Get up.
I'm gonna rip my arm off.
All right, we need the day started. Come on, get up. Oh my God, I already said hurry up. Come on. God. Come on. You guys, our first objective of the day is to take a shower. So that's what we're gonna work on doing right now, is taking a shower. But we can't exactly take our clothes off. Oh, all right, sweetie, come on. So you guys, obviously I'm not gonna take all of our clothes off on camera, but at least my shirt. Oh, we did it! We did it! Okay, so now I'm gonna take my bottom halves off. All right, I'm in the shower. Oh, it's hot!
Ah,
it's hot!
quick.
It's hot! Ah! Oh, it's terrible. It's a terrible idea. Who made us do this? Why? Oh, okay. All right. All right, we're getting done. Okay.
There you go.
Alright, your turn, sweetie. And you guys, sorry to say, I know she's cute, but I can't show you her undressing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her undressed. You guys, look, I got her bra, because she can't take the bra off. I got her shirt and the cardigan. What the heck, yo?
How is this to squeeze the bottle?
Squeeze the ball, just like put it on your head.
My muscle, like.
Just put it on the head and just squeeze it. You know what I mean? Do not try this at home, kids. Alright, well that wraps up for her. Actually, wait, we can't get dressed for the day because
we can't change our clothes.
we can't change the clothes. We can't take the clothes off, man. I'm so confused. What are we supposed to do? Oh my God, you guys, I'm over it. I'm over it. She's been all grumpy. She's getting all grumpy. She's trying to get her makeup done, is what she's trying to do, you guys. But I'm about to kill myself. So, what are you doing? Oh, you're already beautiful. Ew, nasty. Rack up them subscribers, guys. Go down if you haven't already. Go smash that subscribe button, like, and comment. Please comment and share. Thank you so much. I love you all. We're going to pick up Kalina's car right now because she left it and had a flat tire, huh, babe? Aw,
Yeah.
poor little flat tire. But we still do have the handcuffs on, so we can't exactly split it up to get two cars. So Dad! He's coming. We're going to bring my dad. I'm going to take him in the back seat of the car. And we will see you guys when we get to the car lot. So I have been wanting to ask my dad, what do you think about us being handcuffed together?
I was gonna ask you, why are you guys handcuffed together? How long have you been chained together?
19 hours.
Are you serious?
19 hours.
Oh my God. I think I would kill my significant other.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting pretty close, let me tell you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in there, come on. Come on, skirt, skirt. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ow. Ow. I want you guys to go down right now and comment where you think we're at. Where do you think we're at again? Come on. Come on, Sloppy. Come on. Get out of here. Come on. Oh. Are you good, bro? Are you good, bro? Chick behind us is all.
Yeah, what the hell's wrong with y'all?
We're just blinged out. What you mean what's wrong with us? There's ain't nothing wrong with us. We're just beautiful people. Two beautiful people. For yourself for that thing that you almost wanted yesterday?
No.
You little selfish asshole. Are you looking for that same thing?
Nope. Come on.
I really just think she's shopping for herself. I really just think so. Is it the same? It's the same one we saw the other day. The one that you wanted. She's definitely buying stuff for herself again. It's the one you wanted though, isn't it? Admit it. Admit it.
No. I shall admit nothing. I plead the fifth.
Alright, we're leaving. Come on.
No, but they have to have it. They have to have it. They have to have it.
I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it.
A full 24 hours. A full 24 hours. I mean, I've been better, but.
I mean, you just gotta kind of do it. Yeah. Do you guys want to?
Yeah, like we haven't left each other for like 24 hours.
You guys want a card?
At all. At all.
What is his name?
His name's
It's my
Tyler
YouTube channel.
Vitullo.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna check. Are you
All
recording?
right. All right. Am I what?
You're
Yeah, I'm recording right now, yeah. You're on the vlog, yeah, you guys are all on the vlog. You guys are all on the vlog. Take one, take one, take one.
I'm about to watch this later. It'll be up tomorrow. No.
Come on. Come on, focus on what you need. Focus on what you need, not what you want. Glenna, what do you want to do?
Buy more stuff.
Wrong.
What am I not letting you do?
Leave the line.
Saving money. Hey girl, put some clothes on.
Hashtag free the nipple.
Hashtag free the nibblies. Gotta keep them in line. Ain't let them get out of control. No, no, come on. No, we're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving. We have to go. We have other stuff to do. We have to go see Star Wars. We're going to see Star Wars right now. Also, in this. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna rip your little arm off. I'm gonna saw your arm off. No. Come on. Can you guys see my wrist?
I think we pulled too much on each other.
Well, if you weren't looking at everything in the dang store.
Well, if you were looking at all the dang girls, I'm just kidding.
They're pretty. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Really just do that?
Sorry, I always need to my right. Yo, on the real, we are not kidding. We are eating pho right now, and we still have our little stupid handcuffs on, you guys. You have to deal with it every single time that I eat. You guys, we are going into the men's restroom because we cannot be separated. Come on, come on. Wish us luck, you guys. We are in the men's restroom in the movie theater. We can't be separated. We are now both done. Now we're getting out of here.
Wait, can I wash my hands? I know men don't ever wash their hands, but.
Oh my God. You're washing hands in the men's bathroom. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Being a civilized human being.
Well then, yes, that'll be it for our bathroom session. We are now going to see the movie. See you guys in a little bit. We made. Oh, all right. Going home now. You guys, it is now. Show them the phone. Show them the phone.
Oh, I'm trying to make a payment right now.
Oh God. All right. You guys, it is 10:55 on Wednesday, December 20th. It has officially been over 24 hours, and we are done with the handcuff challenge. So we're done. Yeah, we're done. Oh, there goes your phone. Oh, it just cracked. It's cracked. Oh, my bad. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching the whole entire vlog. Take these things off me. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Oh, the key's in the car. Hold on. Yeah, and unhook that. Woo, we're stuck. It's a fashion accessory, yo. It's all shiny. What's good? Hey, we are finally done. Thank you for watching the whole entire vlog. You guys tune in for tomorrow. It's going to be another vlog. If you have not already, go down, smash that comment button, smash that subscribe button, and smash that like button. I love you all so much, and peace out, fam. Good night.